Alright, hello guys. So in today's video, we're gonna be trying out the new two most forgotten kids in Roblox Bedwars. So you guys are wondering what the two most forgotten kids are. Alright, I'm gonna be showing you. Alright, are you guys ready? First is Santa and where is it? Well, wait, no, I think I passed it. But what the? Okay, there it is. Smoke and Santa. As you guys can see, they were both in the two same seasons, and we're gonna be trying out. Are they still good, or are they still pretty trash? First, we're gonna try out Smoke, just because it's not because they're rich. Okay, nice. I wish I had that. But anyway, that's besides the point. Anyways, we are gonna be trying, and today we're gonna be trying to wait, what? Both using Smoke. Oh my, nah, bro. Dude, shut up, bro. This is supposed to be for a video, bro. Sword. Okay, well, come on. Come here, bro. Come here, little bro. Oh man, come on, bro. Dude, please tell me you could. Oh my god, this kid. Oh. Oh my goodness, bro. This is too fun. What the heck? Bro, what the heck is that? Hey yo, hold on, bro. What is that? Hey yo, what is that? Real AAR? Okay, pretty sure we don't know that. Okay, what is this? Is that also a ghost lock? Wait, hold on, wait a minute. Alright, hold on. Is that a ghost lock? I can't really tell. Like, hold on, I can't really tell. Hold on. I gotta go back here again. We gotta go back here. Hold on. Can I only see this? Wait, is that a carpet? Hey, yo, bro. Wait, bro. When did carpet get in here, bro? When did carpets get in here, bro? Dog. Tier 2. Oh yeah, but we be sitting in the generator, bro. Everything done, bro. Alright, but now we're using Santa, bro. Well, alright, guys, listen, bro. Christmas came early, bro. Didn't know what you get, bro. People aren't, bro, dude. I'm telling you, bro. I'm using the most forgotten kids, and people are literally just like Santa, OG kid. Yeah, bro, dude. Listen, you know what's even more OG kid? No kid. I'm joking. But you know what's even more and more OG kid? Pyro. So, yeah. Wait, how much did it cost? 70! Oh my god. Oh my. Bro, no wonder why this kid's forgotten, bro. That's a scammers, bro. Oh my goodness. Well, luckily, this is the perfect map to get iron, bro. Oh my goodness. Bro. I can't, bro. Bro? I'm telling you, bro. Can someone do me a favor, bro? Who is doing this, bro? Who's doing this? Oh, God. Oh, my goodness, bro. Bro, you guys gotta stop being Fortuna, bro. Oh, my goodness. Fortuna, I got a nerf, bro, and dog. This thing's still OP, bro. You know what, bro? I gotta prevent nerf, bro. Nerf the explosions to like like 1 damage and put like the knockback to 1 damage, bro. Just put it like that, bro. You must be really dumb thinking about shit. Am I actually gonna try and rush you? Yeah, great. Yeah, okay, great, bro. Dog, I'm trying to get this thing, bro. Okay, hold on, bro. Okay, hold on, bro. Okay, hold on. Okay, you know what? I got an idea, bro. Drop your iron, please. Alright, okay, if that does not work, I do know what will work, bro. Please, bro. Please. I'm trying. I want to use this kid, bro. Oh my goodness. Okay, thank you. No, bro. Okay, no, wait. Hold on. I'm going for bed. I'm going for that bed, bro. I'm hungry for that bed. Okay. Bro, okay, listen, I'm gonna be right now. I can literally, bro, what's the point of using this thing when you can literally get shears, get max destruction, and literally just do all of that, bro? But, no, I'm wasting all of my iron, bro. But listen, I better see this kid doing some 860, 130 above! Oh! Hey, nice. Alright. Okay, so you know what I better see? I better see this kid doing some okay, no, we need to find a big bed friend. Like, I could literally get a shear and break that bed. Wait. Oh my god, I know. Yeah, you know what? No, you know what? Yeah, bro, no. Oh my god, holy. You know what, bro? Hold on. Let me call him, bro. Let me call Rudolph. Hey, Santa, get your behind over here. Okay. Oh, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Holy, the damage! Holy, what was the damage? Oh my god. Nah. Okay. Okay. Okay, buddy. Is this kid still, should this kid still be forgotten though? Like, bro, dog. What was the damage there, bro? Oh my god, bro. The damage was insane. This kid should not be forgotten, bro. Who the, bro? Dog, nah, bro. This kid should not be okay, great. Well, if I die now, it's kind of game over now. But you know what? Ah! Oh my god, bro. I keep thinking they have explosives, bro. That's literally my favorite short-term about explosives. Woo! Okay, watch the damage. Okay, watch it. Bro, look how OP that was! Oh my, nah, bro. Santa should not be forgotten. Bro, did you guys see the, oh my god, holy. Bro, the damage right now, bro. The damage right there is insane. It's actually insane. Oh my god. You know, I'm done. I'm done. Guys, you Santa. You Santa, bro. Actually, you Santa. Oh my goodness. The damage right there, bro. Holy. Should this kid still be forgotten? Like, this kid should not be forgotten, bro. But you know what should be forgotten? Fortuna. Just give it the kid, bro. But anyways, yeah. We know Santa should not be forgotten, bro. Like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness. Bro, the damage? Bro, the damage, the knockback? Bro, dog. Why did this get forgotten? Guys, use this kid now. Oh my goodness. The Bedwars, they don't care about this kid. They just forgot it. Please, guys, use this kid now.